Hey guys, Eric here. If you're a musician and you want to know how to get more gigs, you've tuned into the right video. Why? Because I've created a series called Getting More Gigs, and depending on what type of specific type of gigs that you're looking into, I can tell you whether it's a cover band, original band, or getting gigs in senior centers. This is the series that's for you. Whether you get one book or you get all three, there's a lot of information that I'll share with you that has helped out my career as well will teach you sort of the pitfalls or things to look out for. Let's face it, with the internet and the information that's available nowadays, there's all different ways to get your information out there. But these books will give you everything compacted into one. So I just wanted to quickly point out that if you are a musician, if you are looking to get more gigs in the music business, this is the way to do it in my Getting More Gigs series. And again, guys, thanks for watching.
How would you like to make more money doing what you love? If playing music is your passion, then this series is for you. I'll walk you through tips and tricks to getting ahead in your music career while guiding you to attain your personal goal or goals. My easy-to-follow Getting More Gigs series will help answer all the questions you have about getting more gigs in a cover band, original band, or getting gigs in senior living centers. Just when you think you've hit a brick wall or it's time to put your music on the back burner, my Getting More Gigs series will put the fire back into your playing and give you direction to more open doors. So let me show you how to book more gigs, make more money, and achieve great success.